Welcome back, all you stone turtles out there. For episode 4, we got a special treat for you. A triple infused smoked beef brisket. For our dry rub, we're going to be using 2 tablespoons of orange sherbet infused sugar, 1 tablespoon of the following: salt and parsley flake, seasoned salt, and 1 teaspoon of the following: black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and white pepper. For the last step in this process, we're going to be using an infused orange sherbet honey and olive oil, injected straight into the beef. Let's get started. Try out this foot.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you all Stone Turtles for joining us on this episode. Hope you enjoy the recipe with all your friends at your next party. See you next time.